Angel? You hauling that back?
So, what are we doing?
Can't see shit from here.
Let's just find high ground and see what we got. Through the train cars.
Creeper is close.
Creeper neutralized.
It's worse than the city.
Helicopter!
It's headed across the river. Helicopter's making a landing on that building across the river.
Can we make it over there?
There's a bridge up ahead!
Somebody shot me. I'm reloading. I got you. It'll be good as new.
Friendly fire!
Come on, creep. There's a break.
You're rat-free now.
Thanks.
How the hell?
Somebody, shut up the screamer. God damn it, stop. Vector's gonna hawk one. We gotta find a way to that bridge. They stopped. For now. Reloading. Patching you up. Hold still for a sec.
Chopper's flew right over us in Manhattan. Why wouldn't they do it here?
Quit that shit. We're doing this. Get your hands straight.
Reloading! I thought he was
Thanks.
Creeper!
Creepers. Fresh ammo coming up.
Creeper's close!
Gas bags down. Watch the fumes.
Hey, I'm reloading!
Come on, give me something.
Creeper down. Reloading.
Shit! I see a creeper!
Creeper neutralized.
Reloading!
We can reach the street from here. Climb up the Humvee. Another chopper! Could be an evac point!
All that activity's a Zeke magnet. We sure about this?
It's the best option we got.
Heads up! Infect them!
There's enough for everybody.
I got no ammo!
Loading ammo.
Bridge is in bad shape. Look out! You think the Battle of the Bronx is over?
Unless they broke out the nukes, they're screwed.
If they do, we're all screwed.
This'll do. We got everybody? Moving forward. Moving out to the bridge. Stay close. We got a full congregation down here. Try not to stir them up.
Somebody shot me!
U.S. Army. We're seeing activity on the bridge. Identify yourself.
There's 4 of us! Civilians! We're trying to get to your helicopters.
We're on the roof of the hospital, evacuating wounded. If you can make it up here, we can get you out.
On our way. Here they come! Hazmat over here! Shit! Boom! Inspector! She's gonna spin! Cover me! I gotta get this shit off! I think we got them all.
Ammo break!
I got you. Gonna be good as new.
I owe you.
Reloading! Huh. Psst. Keep it down. Huh.
Yeah, it's not your day, creeper.
That's what I'm talking about. On the right! Hospital parking garage!
We can get through this way.
Shit! Fucking mines! A little warning would have been nice. Look out! Enemy explosives! Help!
Hey, you're all right.
Loading ammo.
That's
Appreciate it.
it. Up you go.
Bomb! Get back!
Shit! Call the elevator.
I'm reloading!
Follow us. Captain, the civilians are here. They're armed.
All right, listen up. We're evacuating the wounded via chopper. We've got multiple swarms inbound and we're stretched to a breaking point. I need every able gun defending the hospital until everyone's out.
Got it.
Damn, we're not equipped for this. Shit, this place is huge.
Dan had the right idea. Stock up and sit it out.
Fucking Dan. Son of a bitch is probably breaking open a cold one as we speak.
I need all fire on that stadium! Elvis 12, close it in. Weapons hot. Mark the target. Sergeant Pembry, come on, mark the swarm! Pembry, do you read?
Inspector! Heads up!
Shit! Somebody grab the flare gun and fire it into that goddamn swarm!
Found the flare gun!
Enemy breaching main hall! They're coming in from the courtyard!
Who wants more?
Mark that swarm for air support! Enemy breaching main hall! They're coming in from the courtyard!
There's more where that came from.
They're breaching the main hall! Cover the courtyard entrance! Enemy breaching main hall! They're breaching the glass! Right wing!
Okay. Thanks.
Anybody else? Reloading! Spotted a hazmat.
Gas bags gone. Stinks.
Ah, shit! An electric fence shorted out. In the morgue, downstairs.
Loading ammo!
They're breaching the main hall! Watch that left wing!
Yeah, uh-huh. Who's next? We got a creep! Grid is online!
I need all guns on the parking garage. Enemy breaching main hall! Cover the courtyard entrance!
I got you. Gonna be good as new.
Appreciate it.
Seek attacking! Main hall! They're coming in from the courtyard!
Reloading!
They're breaching the main hall! They're coming in from the courtyard! Do not let them They're breaching the main hall! They're coming in from the courtyard!
There's more where that came from.
They're breaking the glass! Right wing!
Grenade out!
We can't hold them! They broke them!
We let them in. It's too late.